In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your GetResponse API key. We'll walk through this step by step, so you know exactly where to click, what you're looking at, and how to safely copy your key once you've generated it. First, go ahead and log into your GetResponse account and open your main admin dashboard. Once you're in, direct your attention to the navigation bar at the top of the page. Up there, you'll see several main menu items. Find the one labeled Tools. Click on Tools, and as soon as you do, a large drop-down, sometimes called a mega menu, will appear. Inside this menu, look for a section usually labeled Connect or something similar. Under that section, you'll see an option called Integrations and API. Click on Integrations and API. This is the area where GetResponse lets you connect your account to other apps, services, and custom tools. After the page loads, you'll notice several tabs across the top of the Integrations and API screen. One of these tabs will be called API. Click on the API tab. This is where you can manage and generate your API keys, which are secure codes that allow external tools or platforms to communicate with your GetResponse account. On the API tab, you'll see a button labeled Generate API Key. Go ahead and click that button. When you do, a pop-up window will appear. In this pop-up, GetResponse will ask you to enter a name for the new API key you're about to create. It's a good idea to choose a clear, descriptive name that reminds you what this key will be used for, such as the name of the app or integration you're connecting. Once you've typed in a name, click the Generate button inside the pop-up. The pop-up will briefly reload or refresh, and then you'll see your newly generated API key displayed on the screen. This key will usually appear as a long string of letters and numbers. Now, carefully copy that API key. Most of the time, there will be a small copy icon you can click, or you can select the key manually and copy it. Store it somewhere safe and only share it with trusted tools or services that need access to your GetResponse account. And that's it. You've successfully located the right settings, generated a new GetResponse API key, and copied it so you can use it in your integrations.